Welcome back
to Moose Tips and Tricks. I'm Cindy, Senior Media Specialist.
And I'm Josie, Media Specialist at Moose Roofing, a roofing company based out of Omaha, Nebraska.
We often think of our roofs as the primary shield protecting our homes from rain, snow, and harsh weather. But your gutters also play a critical role in maintaining the health of your roof.
In today's video, we're going to break down why regular gutter maintenance is essential for keeping your roof in good shape and preventing long-term damage to your home.
First, clogged gutters can lead to water damage on your roof. Your gutters are designed to direct rainwater away from your roof and foundation. But when they become clogged with leaves, dirt, and other debris, water can't flow freely. Instead, it pools on your roof, potentially leading to leaks.
Water trapped against your roof can seep underneath shingles, causing decking to rot, deteriorate, and lose its structural qualities. This kind of water damage can result in costly repairs and, in extreme cases, might even require a full roof replacement.
Clogged gutters can also contribute to ice dams in the winter. In colder climates like ours here in Nebraska, clogged gutters become a major culprit in the formation of ice dams during the winter. Ice dams occur when water trapped in your gutters freezes, causes a buildup of ice at the edge of your roof.
This ice can prevent water from draining off the roof properly, causing it to back up underneath the shingles. Once that water starts to leak inside, it can cause significant damage to your attic, ceilings, and walls.
Flow freely. Instead, it pools on your roof, potentially leading to leaks.
Shingles causing
But whether you're but why is there a red is that me or is there a red triangle there?
Always there.
Really?
That's for reading. Like, that's where you want to start reading at, trying to.
Oh, okay.
And I'm Josie, Media Specialist, and preventing long-term damage. Why is that word so hard?
Gutters can lead to water damage.
Underneath your roof can lead water
Culprit in the formation of ice dams. Ice dams occur, which can cause straining, rot, and mold growth.
staining. Don't hesitate to reach out to Moose Roofing. Roofing?
Oh.
Boom.
Overflowing gutters can even damage the exterior of your home. When gutters are blocked, the excess water has nowhere to go but over the edges of your gutters, creating an overflow. This can lead to water running down your siding, which can cause staining, rot, and mold growth.
Over time, this water can even erode your foundation, causing structural issues that can be expensive to fix. Overflowing gutters can also damage landscaping, wash away mulch, and create pooling around your home's foundation, which could eventually lead to flooding.
Gutter damage can eventually lead to expensive repairs or replacement. Clogged gutters aren't just a problem for your roof, they can also cause damage to your gutter system itself. When gutters are full of debris and water, the added weight can cause them to sag, pull away from your roofline, or even break.
This can create more costly repairs than just cleaning them out regularly. Once gutters are damaged, they might not function properly even after cleaning, leaving your roof more vulnerable to the elements.
Lastly, gutter maintenance helps maintain the structural integrity of your home. Believe it or not, your gutters are essential for maintaining the overall structural integrity of your home. But gutters overflow or become detached, the constant water exposure can weaken your home's foundation, cause soil erosion, and even lead to basement flooding.
Additionally, water damage to the wood framing of your home can compromise your building's strength. By maintaining your gutters, you're helping to safeguard your home's foundation and structural ability for years to come.
Maintaining clean gutters may seem like a small task, but it plays a huge role in protecting your roof, your home, and your wallet. By keeping gutters clear of debris, you're preventing issues like water damage, mold, and even foundation problems.
If you need assistance or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Moose Roofing. We're here to help you keep your roof in top shape. Thanks for tuning in to Moose Tips and Tricks.
We'll see you in the next.
Bye.